In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to solve this 2x2 Rubik's Cube. It's actually very easy. All you gotta do is 2 easy moves. And you keep on complaining about mixing, like you just did a side and then you destroy it. Yep, that's always what happens. And then, ba-boom! It's solved. Hope you guys learned something from this video. Oh, and if you guys want to do it without your eyes open, it's only 30 easy moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and then you can show your friends that you know how to solve a 2x2. And remember, it has to be solved, and then all you gotta do is do this. Hope you guys enjoyed. And bye.